I'm scanning some kind of magnetic anomaly in the atmosphere.
Weird. Better hurry up and return to HQ ASAP.
What? You have a hot date?
Me? No, I just...
Urgent reminder for Chiro. Weekly episodic television serial, The Sunriders, will begin in 5 minutes.
Go ahead, kid. Watch your show. I can check this out on my own.
Thanks, Sparks.
Hey. Gotcha. Whatever you are. Oh, I'm never gonna hear the end of this. Ah! What is making this happen?
Where's Sparks?
I don't know. He's not back.
The radar scan had Sparks in low orbit when his tracking beacon went dead and he disappeared. Based on his last known trajectory, I calculate his path carried him into this sector.
The Trascom corridor. Nothing but a bunch of broken, worn-out old space junk up there.
He was checking out some magnetic anomaly. Try contacting him.
I advise we combine signal strength to increase overall range.
Monkey team to Sparks. SPRX-77, reply.
What was that?
Appears his comm signal is being jammed by something up there.
If Sparks were here, he'd want to go rescue, himself.
And that's what we'll do. Hyperforce, go!
Pressure Cruiser 5, go!
Here's Rocket 4, go!
Brain Scrambler Pilot 2, go!
Torso Tech Driver 1, go! Super!
Robot!
Team!
Hyper! Go!
Nobody said monkey.
Wow! What's with steering?
Without Fist Rocket 1, the gyro compensator's out of balance!
Careful not to hit that big thing!
What big thing? Oh, that big thing!
What do you got?
Bad news. We're too unstable to fly without Fist Rocket 1 and Sparks.
Good news. I sense Sparks' presence. He's here somewhere.
But where is here?
Look at this place. Have you ever seen such a paradise?
Of rusty old junk? No. Ugh, this place makes my fur itch.
Whatever's jamming Sparks' comm signal appears to be coming from this location. Hey, did you hear that?
Over there!
That thing might know where Sparks is. Don't worry, we're not gonna hurt you.
Otto, I thought you were gonna grab it!
Well, I thought Sparks was gonna... Oh, yeah. My fault. You're not to blame, Otto. There are other forces at work.
What is this?
Wait, listen.
Stay alert, team. Somebody brought us here.
Maybe it was those guys.
Perhaps they'll run away like their little friend.
Hyperforce Formation O! 0-0!
Law Disruptor! Tornado Capuesto!
Photon Scalpel! Nova, little help, please!
Everybody okay?
I forgot. In O formation, Sparks covers our rear.
There are too many to fight.
Huh, there's never too many to fight.
But are there too many to fight and win?
Reset approach. This is no way to welcome visitors to the realm. My deepest apologies. My soldiers are somewhat single-minded in duty. I am your host, Lord Scrapperton, version 2.8, Grand Earl of the Mecha Realm.
I'm Chiro, and these are...
The finest examples of Maximians I've ever laid optics on. And the widgets and the gadgets, it must have taken you years to collect them all. Bit of a collector myself, you see.
Actually, that's why we're here. I'm missing one. A red one.
It's always the red ones, isn't it?
His ship disappeared near here, and we were hoping maybe you'd seen him.
No, decidedly not. Come with me, young Chiro, to the parlor. That's where I keep my scanners. We'll find your lost monkey, see if we don't. I'll just fetch a transport.
Whatever was jamming Sparks' signal is coming from in here, somewhere close.
Right. I'm guessing this guy's up to something. He's too happy. Creepy happy. I'll keep him busy. You four track that signal.
Chiro.
I know what I'm doing. My monkeys will stay here and,
Do as they wish. In my kingdom, they're welcome from aft to stern.
He split us up again.
Let's find Sparks.
I would never have dreamed of a place like this when I was human.
You were human?
Yes. Sparing the gruesome details, one day I found myself severely lacking in the leg department.
That's awful.
Nonsense! It was the beginning of my grand upgrade. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Those were the best years of my life. Leg number 1, serial number GH11929, a genuine masterpiece from the age of steam. It was my first gadget. I had to have a matching pair. But I couldn't stop there. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Titanium replaced bone. My raspy organic lungs became a fuel-efficient carburetor. I had outgrown my chaotic human biology to become truly a self-made man. Tick-tock.
You replaced all your human parts?
Upgraded! In order to collect a full set, I really quite had to. Tick-tock.
We're closing in on whatever is jamming Sparks' comm signal.
Oh! A TK421! You know what I could build with one of these? I'll handle them. Nova, we need to get beyond that door.
I'll give it to Scrapperton. He knows how to build stuff, but I can break anything.
Now, just need some strings.
Home again, jig-a-jig.
Wow, that's some throne.
You could call it my seat of power, for it's also a neutron generator. Batteries the whole place, a bit twitchy, but gotta keep the gravity field going.
What's that?
No cause for alarm. I've missed tick-tock time. Hello, Mr. Cogsmith. Coggy is the best thing I ever found. One of a kind, really. He's just full of great ideas. Yes. Tick-tock. In fact, it was Coggy's idea to build this place. Tick-tock.
Pretty cool. But where are those scanners you were talking about? Kind of worried about my friend.
Yes. But first come see my personal best collection. Tick-tock, these are the most precious of the precious.
No way! It's the Sunriders! You actually have the whole set?
Why collect it all if you're not going to collect them all?
Super Quasar, Aurora 6, even Johnny Sunspot's sidecar.
I've always wanted one who obviously shares my desire to collect as you do, young Chiro.
Thanks, but no thanks. You know, I really need to find my friend, so... The Fist Rocket!
Yes, I have been a teensy bit deceptive? Tick-tock? Bad, Scrapperton? It's a leftover from my human days.
Where is my monkey?
Sparks. Sparks? I got it.
He took my hands. My beautiful hands. He gave me these. I think these are his hands.
Wow. Can you crack your knuckles? Ooh. Hey. I made you a yo-yo.
There. Happy?
Sparks!
You okay, kid?
I'm fine. Oh, he's got man hands. Give him back his magnets.
Tick-tock. Afraid I'm not quite done with them just yet. I've got plans. Big plans. Now, what was it the red monkey said? Oh, yes. Magna Ball Blade. Repulsor Ray. Tick-tock. Tick-tock.
Otto, cut us out of here.
No can do, Chiro.
At least you've got hands.
Yeah, but they're so weird. So, how we getting out of here? Should we split up?
I made that mistake already, Sparks. We're not as good without all our pieces. We'll do this together.
You know what Sparks would say if he were here? He'd say,
I'd say right on, kid.
Jim Killeray, Cogsmith, do what you do.
Ooh, that's racist.
Tick-tock. Soon my collection will be the whole world closer to completion.
I don't think so. That's no collectible. That's my home. Thunder Punch!
I suppose that would have hurt. Had I been human.
I'll get Scrapperton. You handle his machine.
handle him? We got no hands.
I don't know. I'm pretty handy with these. Oh, I'm metal too.
Whirling Destructo Blade! You are a clever boy.
Gotcha.
Now that is just rude. Young Chiro, I will collect it all eventually. Why not just get your upgrade over with? What? Tick-tock, I must fix.
You're not going anywhere.
Hogsmith, come out of there this instant. Do back everything. Uh-oh, this bodes ill.
That thing powers the artificial gravity.
That's the least of our worries. That thing is going into critical overload.
Oh, my collection!
Your collection is history, Scrapperton. Let's go.
Don't touch me! I'm Starting a new collection. Yes, TikTok.
Wait!
Come on, kid. We're out of here.
Unfortunately, we'll never make it back to the super robot on foot.
Don't have to.
Oh, yeah! Who's the monkey with the moves? Just telling it like it is.
No point in saving those hands, Sparks.
I don't know. I could use a good back scratcher. Oh, what? I'm just saying.
Scans show no bios, no mechs, nothing. In short, no Scrapperton.
He must have vaporized when the neutron generator went.
Super Robot Monkey Team Hyperforce, let's go home.